Hi everyone, Gabrielle Helene with Just My Input. Today I would like to talk about one of my favorite finds on Amazon, and it is this Dusk to Dawn light bulb. I don't know about you, but I know for me, I like convenience. In the past, I have purchased some switches where you have to program them to go on at a certain time and to go off at a certain time. These lights, you don't have to program anything. You don't have to have Wi-Fi for it to connect to it. It has a sensor right here, and it goes according to the amount of light that there is outside. So in the morning, the light will turn off when the sun comes up, and in the evenings, it will turn on when the sun goes down. That way you never have to worry about, did I leave the front porch light on? Did I forget to turn the lights off outside? I have right here, this is my entryway, by the way, so welcome to my entryway. And I have my light switches right here, and I leave it on all the time. These light bulbs are LED lights. They are 60 watts. You can actually purchase them in either daylight or soft white color, so you do have options. Really inexpensive. They're very affordable. They last for a very long time. I have the link available down in the description. Highly recommend these. So thank you so much for watching this video. I recommend that you order some of these light bulbs immediately. Thanks, guys.